Hey guys, Marilyn here. I have a new toy. Alright guys, so I don't do a lot of tech unboxing videos on my channel. However, I am a super fan of the Galaxy Watch. I had the very first Galaxy Watch, and then I upgraded to the Galaxy 3. So this was the Galaxy 3. I have a band from Amazon on here, so I bought these in different colors previously. However, we have a new upgrade, and this one is the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Let's take a look. All right, here it goes. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. There it is. All right, and in here we have our little booklets. Quick start guide, and on the other end we're going to have our charging cable. Okay, with the little docking station. This looks like the same one from the Galaxy Watch 3. With this this watch upgrade, there was a $50 credit, and I opted in to get the duo charger for the watch and the phone. I got that first, and I used it last night, and it charges both of my devices pretty quickly, actually. And what's interesting is that the Duo stopped charging the phone. It actually shut the phone side down when I was charging my my cell phone. So the watch was still on the docking station, and that was still charging, which was kind of cool. So let's go ahead and take this out of the box. Look how pretty. I opted in for the silver stainless steel versus just the basic Galaxy watch, and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic in black. I love the all silver. When I got this one, I was like, why can't the whole watch be silver? But now there it is in its beautiful glory right here. So there was a lot of complaints about, I watched a lot of the reviews on this watch, and there was a lot of complaints that the band was kind of cheap in comparison to what we originally got with this watch. Let me pull that box. So this is actually an upgrade. I will be sending the Galaxy Watch 3 back. This was the box for that. So the band that came with this one was this really nice leather band. I wish I could keep this one along with that one as well. As you can see, this band is way wider as well. Look how much bigger this band is in comparison to the original leather straps that we got with the Galaxy 3. So this is going to go back. This I did an upgrade. I don't need to keep both of them. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this. These bands I've gotten from Amazon. They are kind of cheap. These are a little more rubbery. This one probably feels a little more smoother, kind of like a silicone feel to it. But let's go ahead and take a look in comparison. So definitely looks bigger with the silver all the way around, even though these are supposed to be the same size. But as you can see, the thickness is a lot smaller on the one on the new watch, which is nice. It is a little heftier in weight based on this one here. So let's go ahead and power this one on. Fabulous. And let's see what happens. I love technology. I love new technology. So let me go ahead and put this stuff in the back. All right. Let's see what it does here. Come on, Samsung. And this obviously has the new Wear OS, which was also in conjunction with Google. I just got a notification for a Galaxy 4 Watch Classic, or unless my Note 8. So I'm actually recording this with my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 phone. I did not get rid of this phone. I don't know why. I love this phone. So I keep it still for recording purposes if I need to use my Note 10 Plus, which is this phone here. So let's go ahead and see what happens here. Okay. Get started in the Galaxy Wearable App on your phone. So let me go ahead and put this down. Let me grab my cell phone here. All right, so it's already finding the watch pretty quick. All right, so we'll confirm that number. Confirm on your phone, which I have. It's loading. That is a strong haptic feedback on this watch here. I've already confirmed it. It's still loading, still vibrating. All right, so we are paired. What is that? Oh, so what's going on with this one? Oh. Check your phone for complete setup. All right. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my wrist. I can already tell another complaint that I've seen in a lot of the reviews is that the watch doesn't sit nicely on the wrist. It has this little gap on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on and see how it feels. The watch band, however, does definitely look bigger. Then, sorry guys, I'm having technical difficulties. Let's see here. So it's a lot smoother. Whatever, I guess this is some sort of silicone. It actually looks really nice. I have no complaints. It's a little snug on my wrist there. You do have that gap. That is a weird gap. Let's just be real. That is a weird gap right there. It's not so much on the right side. It's on, let's see here. Yeah, that's a little weird, but it's actually still comfortable. So let's go ahead and set up the watch on my phone. Continue to the Samsung terms and conditions. All right, agree. Link Galaxy Watch 4 plugin with Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Okay. Google Terms and Service. Okay, this is new. This is definitely new. Google Terms of Service and terms below. Google privacy policy describes how data is handled in this service. Your watch may automatically download and install updates. These updates may be from Google or your operator, possibly using mobile data. Stay connected over Wi-Fi or LTE with Google Cloud Sync. Usage and diagnostic reports. We're going to check that one off. And location, I can always turn that off. So we're going to go ahead and agree. Getting the watch ready. So we're essentially just setting up the watch at this point. It's a really pretty watch though. I love the silver. Getting Google account information. This is the part that I'm just going to take away from the video. All right, so I'm going to copy my Google accounts to my watch. I like to use my fingerprint for a lot of things when logging in. So let's take a look. Copying the accounts. Really pretty. Stainless steel, that's a very beautiful one. Restore your watch from backup. If you've backed up this or previous watch, try restoring for easier setup. Looking for backups. I don't think I have any backups. All right. Because the watch you selected uses a different operating system, some data such as settings can be restored. Let's take a look. Let's back up. Okay, so it just wants to restore using mobile data. Okay. So it's just restoring my Samsung Health, which I actually installed this morning, and updating my alarm. It's finishing up here. I like the graphics. Something so simple. All right, so it says you're all set. All right, so watch faces. Let's go ahead and take a look at the watch faces. What is that? Endangered animals. AR emoji. I have an AR emoji already set up. Take a tour of your watch. Let's go ahead and do this here. So let's go ahead and hit start. Swipe down from the top to open the quick panel. Beautiful. Swipe up to go back to the watch faces. I'm going to have to put my little AR emoji on there. For apps, swipe up from the bottom edge. Swipe down to go back. Perfect. For notifications, swipe to the right. Same as the other one. Tap to open this notification. Swipe right from the edge to go back to the previous screen. Tap, swipe left. For tiles, swipe left. Daily activity, you can also use the home key to go to the watch face from any screen. And that's it. Don't miss a thing. The dot means you have a notification. We already know that. Daily activity step, activate time. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up. Oh, body composition. Do I really want to do that on camera? I don't think so. We'll do that later. You can still measure your sleep as in the Galaxy Watch 3. Need to add the weather here. 79 degrees today instead of a hot 99 humidity. We got the Chicago Cubs at Minnesota playing today. I do have my Cubs schedule linked on my calendar. Record your ECG on your watch, heart rate. The look of that is a little different than the last watch as well. Stress, let's measure my stress level right now. I'm off today, so I think my stress level is going to be a little low. All right, so as you can see, my stress level is right there. It's minimal, so I'm not stressed out right now, so that's a good thing. So I'll go ahead and set this all up later on, but I just wanted to do the unboxing. Any other Google Play, 50 seconds left. What's this? What is that? Google Play. Oh, so it's downloading. Okay. I'm like, why does it say Google Play? 35 seconds left. 24 seconds left. 32 seconds. All right. Don't know what that's about, but we'll take a look at that. I'll take a look at that on my own. Thanks for registering your Samsung product. You're welcome. Update. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and play with my watch. off camera, but I just wanted to go ahead and do a simple unboxing of the watch. I think it's a beautiful watch. I am a Samsung Galaxy watch fan. The band, not quite sure. It fits nice and snug on this side, but on the right side, there's that little gap, which is kind of weird. Maybe if I readjust it, it'll lay a little better, or maybe it'll even out the gaps on both sides. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, so real quick, I know I ended the video, but I found my AR emoji, so now we've updated my watch with me on there. How cute am I as an AR emoji? So anyway, let's see if this has pulled up on my watch. Where is she? Let's go ahead and select that. Save. There I am. Oh, how cute is that? So go from, let's see her in action. All right, she's saying hello. She's looking that we have a notification. She's pointing to the notification. Like, are you going to get that? Are you going to get that notification? Let's see. I need to see more action. Okay. That is too funny. That is very clever. I love it. I love it. Thanks for watching, guys.